Assalamu alaikum. What's up everyone? In this video we will talk about the benefits of join tool. First I will talk about the first benefit. If you have two wall layers, for some reason you have two wall layers, it's not just one wall with multiple structures like this here. You have two walls and one of the walls have an opening which is a door or window, and after you place the other one, instead of like editing the profile and doing a cut, you can simply use the join tool in this situation. You just go to the join tool, click on the wall and the other wall, and they will be joined, and this opening will be on both of the walls. The same thing here, we can just click on this and this wall and the opening will be created right away. And the second benefit of the join tool, when sometimes you see overlapping elements, you can use the join tool to create clean joints and get rid of these visible edges at the joints, as well as eliminating errors. Let's try it here. Now modify join tool, click on the floor and then the wall again, and the wall. The same thing for the exterior walls if you want, and you can by this get rid of all the visible edges. I just want to talk about the order of joining, the tool order of joining elements in Revit. Architectural floors cut walls and structural elements. Structural elements cut architectural walls, and for other joints, the first selected element cuts the other selected one. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comments and I'll be replying to it soon.